You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the full name of this condition, inherited genetic disorder, usually better known as FAP. But what does it stand for? Familial Adenomatous. Adenomatous. The Americans would use a flap T. That sounds like a D. So adenomatous polyposis. Polyposis. So FAP, or how to pronounce English pronunciation. Familial Adenomatous Polyposis. Familial Adenomatous Polyposis. It is a mouthful. Can you pronounce it correctly and quite easily? Let me know in the comments. You can probably pronounce it even better or fluent than I can. Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.